just came up upon an old motor that I'm sure goes back to the day of St. Thomas. I don't know what this big cable thing is that's hooked to that. But look at that old motor. It says GM on it. Let's see if we can get down here and get that. Let me get my shadow out of the way. There's some of you guys that'd be interested in that, I'm sure. Look at that. Okay. Here we go. I'm going to turn you back off again. Oh, wait. What's that? What's that over here? Huh. I don't know. Looks like an old sidewalk. Part of an old sidewalk. Oh, there's a building over here. And I don't know what that was. But boy, there was some big trees. Okay. Let's see, what's this? This was a pretty big structure. I almost missed it. Looks like someone's house. Looks like a step to go up into the house. I want to see what. Oh yeah, there's another well. So the house must have only been that big. With the building. Big trees for shade. There we go. Interesting, huh? Okay. Now we're going to turn you off again. Turn you back on when we come across something else.